Welcome to the next installment in my video lecture series in economics. And in this particular video lecture, we're going to be taking a look at how user fees can result in underconsumption. So what we're looking at is a bridge. So cars can go over a river, let's say, or a valley, or any number of things. So if we want to take a look at the demand, we have to take a look at the price of the bridge trip, which is the toll you get charged for using the bridge, and the relationship between that and the number of trips taken. And with every demand curve we looked at, it was downward sloping. There was an inverse relationship between price and quantity. The same is going to hold here. The higher the price, the fewer the number of trips taken. The lower the price, the higher the number of trips taken. Q and T represents the quantity demanded with no toll, i.e. where the price is equal to zero. QC is the bridge capacity. So the capacity of the bridge is higher than the quantity demanded when the price is equal to zero. So this bridge has quote-unquote excess capacity, therefore it is a non-rival good. If we set a price for a toll, we go from that price over the demand curve and down, and that gives us the equilibrium quantity. So QE is the equilibrium quantity, and the difference between QNT and QE is the level of underconsumption. QE is the level of consumption with a positive price, and QNT is the consumption with a zero price. So because the institution of that toll and the fact that this good is a non-rival good, this is the level of underconsumption that we are going to see when we impose a user fee on a public good. But the key thing to remember here is the fact that this is only true because the capacity of the bridge, QC, is greater than the quantity demanded when the price is equal to zero. This makes this a non-rival good. So make sure you remember that this example of underconsumption holds when we're talking about a non-rival good.